Hello children, today we are going to begin with lesson number 8, multiples and factors. What is multiples? Answer in tables, that is called as multiples. Example, 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 6 is called as multiple. 6 fours are 24. 24 is called as multiple. Similarly, for 9 fours are 36 is the multiple. What are factors? Factors are the two numbers in tables which are used to find product, that is we call multiples. Example, two into 3. 2 and 3 are called as factors. 6 into 4, that also is called as factors. 5 threes are, those are also called as factors. Write the multiples of 5. Here multiples are only the answers. We don't write 5 into 1 is equals to. We just write down the answers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 like that. Write the multiples of 9. Answers, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. See, answers only is written. The next one, write the multiple of 15. Answers you have to write 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. These are called what? These are multiples. We don't write 15 into 2, okay? The next one is activity 1. Find the first 5 multiples of 4 is the question. We are going to write first 5 only. Till 5 we are going to stop. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28 and 7 fives are 35. Like that you have to complete the exercise. The next question is 28 a multiple of 5? No, we don't get 28 in table 5. How we verify? By dividing. See, we got the remainder as 0, 3. So, if we get 0, 0, then only it is divisible by the given number. That is, we call it as multiple of the given table. Is 36 a multiple of 9? That means, do we get 36 in table 9? Yes, 9 fours are 36. So divide and check. See, you get here remainder zeros. So that is also the another way. Is 64 a multiple of 8? Yes, 8 8s are 64. We have 64 in table 8 and division also. See, we got 0 as the remainder. In the D, 182 a multiple of 7. Yes, it is a multiple of 7. How? Do the division, you will get remainder 0 and that is yes. Magic multiple. Here just table 13, it is 13 threes are 39 and 13 fives are how much? 65. 13 how many is a 91? 13 sevens are 91, so 7 will come. 13 tens are how much will it be? It will be 130. The next one, see if it is 5, 10, that means it is a table 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Why? It is a magic multiple. Question itself shows that it is a table. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Then next is 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 and 4 fives are 20. Then 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and it is a table 2. Encircle the multiples of 9. So, questions are given. Out of these, you have to find out which are the numbers that those are multiples of 9. In table 9, we get that is 54, 18, 26, 27, 36 and 63. We get in table 4, we don't have 48. So, the answer will be 15, 18, 27, 36, 63 are multiples of 9. Common multiples. What are common multiples? Common multiples are similar type of answer of tables in any two or more tables. In this, to find common multiples, we should have at least two table or more than two. Then let us take the example 3 and 4. And thus write down the multiples of all the 3. Then take the 4, write down the multiples of 4. In these two you have to compare between these two tables, that is 3 and 4. So 12 and 24 is the common number. So common multiples are 12 and 24. The next one is LCM. What is LCM? Smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is called as lowest common multiple. Find the LCM of 6 and 8. Multiple of 6 are, write down the table 6, that is the answer, and then multiples of 8, write down the table 8 and write down the multiples of it. Then compare those two tables. So after comparing you will get common multiples of 6 and 8, that is 24 and 48. Till now we have learnt how to find common multiple. Now which is the smallest among these two? Among these two is 24. Activity 4. List the first 10 multiples of the following. Find the common multiples and write the LCM also. A. 2 and 3. What did they say? First write down 10 multiples and then find common and then LCM. Multiples of 2, all the table till 2 till 2 tens are. Then table 3. Table 3, write down the multiples of table 3. Now one step is over. What will be the next? Common multiples. Common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. Among these three, which is the smallest? 6. So write down 6 as LCM. Then second question, 4 and 5. Write down first 10 multiples. 4 is given, write down 4 tables answer. Then 5. Write down the answers of table 5. Then go with compare and then find out the common multiples. Common multiples are 20 and 40. The LCM is 20, the smallest one. Similarly, C, 8 and 10. Again, multiples of table 8 and 10 you write. Then have the common multiples, that is 40 and 80. The smallest one is 40. Similarly, do the full exercise. So the next question is, list the common multiples of 12, 15 and 20. Encircle the common multiples and find the LCM. How many numbers are given? 3 numbers, 12, 15 and 20. We have to write the multiples, that is tables of 12, 15 and 20. Then circle the common multiples. See, it should be in all the 3 numbers, that is 60, 60 and 60, 120, 120 and 120. So common multiples among these 3 tables are 60 and 120. Which is the smallest one? It is 60. Third one, find the LCM of 14 and 21. 14 and 21, multiples of 14. It will be tables. So write down complete tables. Then 21, write down the table 21. I have shown you how to find the multiples in multiplication chapter and even in the division. Common multiples are 42, 84 and 126. The LCM will be smallest one, that is 42. The next fourth question, the first common multiple of 6 and 15, that means 2 tables, that is of 6 and 15 is 30. The common multiple of 6 and 15, second one is 60. Find third, fourth and fifth common multiple of 6 and 15. As given in the question, the first one's answer is 30. To find the second one, we are going to multiply by 2. 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120 and 35s are 150. The next question is, The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. That means they have given the lowest common multiple itself 10. Find the next 5. So first one 10 ones are 10. So next one will be 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 4, 5 and 6 we are going to find. Question number 6. What it is? Study the diagram carefully and answer the questions. See, two circles are given. That first one is, it is of table 6, then it is of common multiples, and then table 9 according the figure. So what they asked, list the multiples of 6, that means table 6, list the multiples of 9, table 9. Then compare common multiples 6 and 9 and find the LCM. First one, it is done, you written tables. Then second one also it's table 9. Then we got the common multiple as 18, 36 and 54 after comparing both the tables. So which is the smallest one here? The smallest one is 18.